Computer Anatomy, Keyboard Basics, a tutorial by Access Technologies. This series focuses on all the keys of the common keyboard found on laptops and desktops. But more tutorials can be found at the Access Technologies YouTube channel. Let's break it down. The bulk of the keyboard is occupied by the alpha keys. These keys, circled in red, are largely in the middle. Alpha keys are the letters, the numbers, and symbols. Some keys, like the row of number keys, have two symbols available. You can switch between each symbol by using the modifier keys. Modifier keys are found on the left and right side of the alpha keys. Each of the modifier keys, outlined in red, can adjust the alpha keys in specific ways. We are going to start on the left side and move to the right. First is the Tab key. Found left of the letter Q, Tab creates an indentation in a paragraph. The Tab key has several other uses as well. The Tab key can bounce your text cursor from one fillable section to the next. This makes filling out online forms much faster and easier. Next is the Caps Lock key. This allows you to make all letters uppercase. This key may say Caps Lock, or simply C-A-P-S, caps. You can tell if the caps lock is on by the indicator lights. These indicator lights are typically in the upper right corner, although this may vary from device to device. You can refer to the user manual for the precise location. This is the Shift key. It shifts lowercase letters into uppercase letters. You must hold Shift and tap an alpha key to make it uppercase. You can also switch between the numbers and the symbols found above the letter keys. For example, hold Shift and tap the number 2 key to create the @ symbol or an A with a swirl around it. The Shift key is very useful. In fact, there's one on the left and right of every keyboard. Below the Shift key is the Control key. Like the Shift key, the Control key is found on the left and right of the keyboard. The Control key is on the left, followed by the Menu key and the Alt key. These buttons are found in the reverse order on the right side of the alpha keys. The Control, Menu, and Alt key make up most keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are key combinations that perform an action without having to click through menus. There are many shortcuts, but too many to list here. You can find a link to Windows keyboard shortcuts in the video description. But several are particularly helpful. Holding Control and tapping C will copy information, including selected files, photos, sentences, and characters. Holding Control and tapping V will paste your content where your cursor has selected. Holding Control and tapping Z can undo these actions. To the right of the alpha keys are the navigation keys. Print screen will print your current screen. Scroll lock will turn off the option for scrolling. Pause or break will stop an ongoing process. Insert and delete can add or remove letters from where your cursor starts. Home or end moves your cursor to the start or end of the text row. Page up or page down buttons can scroll through web pages without a mouse. The directional buttons can move your cursor in the direction you tap. To the furthest right, keyboards may have a number pad. This may also be where your indicator lights are. The number pad is laid out like a calculator. When the NUM or num lock is on, you can use this pad to enter numbers. When num lock is on, the indicator light will be on. When it's off, you can use this pad as additional navigation buttons. These indicator lights will let you know if the number lock, scroll lock, or caps lock are active on your keyboard. Finally, the top row consists of function keys. These keys have more computer shortcuts. A link to a detailed breakdown is in the video description. Now, you're ready to explore. Helpful? Questions? Find more tutorial on our YouTube channel or visit www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.